Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the things that some people were mentioning from time to time that they'd like to have is what Microsoft calls dynamic wallpapers. So, of course, we're used to having wallpapers. I often talk about the different packages of wallpapers that are available in themes in the Microsoft Store. People enjoy having beautiful pictures in the background of their screen. Now, one of the things that some people request are wallpapers that actually move or change, where there's some animation. And of course, these are called dynamic wallpapers. Well, it seems Microsoft in 2024 worked hard in creating some of them. And we've got a few examples here. Of course, they're static because they're not installed as wallpapers, but this is an example of one that would be moving around slowly on your screen and changing in the background. Another one was this one. These are all dynamic wallpapers Microsoft wanted to add to the list of wallpapers that you have available within Windows 11. And those would be slowly moving, slowly changing on your screen. They would be animated wallpapers. And it seems that they kind of backed off and decided that this was not a thing anymore. So someone asked as a question, why do you think Microsoft, is not releasing those dynamic wallpapers? My personal take on it is that probably because it uses too much PC power. And so if you install a dynamic wallpaper, forget about it, unplug your laptop, and then suddenly notice that your battery doesn't last, you're adding to the load of, the workload of the PC. Graphics are intensive, and even though if the animations aren't that fast and doesn't change too much, you can mitigate how much of power is needed. Still, it does create a draw of power, which for some might be something they don't want. Dynamic wallpapers also might be, because this is something that people don't see, but when you're running another program, many times the wallpaper in the background of your computer still has an effect on the performance. You can see this if you change your wallpaper's change speed. For example, if you say you want to have a new wallpaper every minute, if you put it in a slideshow type wallpaper, you'll notice that change creates a slight delay within the computer, and it's particularly visible when you're playing games. A lot of people don't realize that their wallpaper, while they're playing games, is actually still changing in the background. So I would guess that maybe also this is something that came into view, is that they noticed that, it kind of slows down the PC a little. Maybe it's not a good idea, but we'll see if the future holds, if they would bring them back at some point. But definitely wallpapers, dynamic wallpapers were at some point something Microsoft wanted to push, but seems like they're backed off, basically. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.